I love my classes. I got a crazy teacher, he wears dark glasses. Things are going great.
Shades on show, dancehall diva Tifa down with UV protection and prepared to spell it out.
Oh yeah, they never know some have to spell it out. It's like they never understand and me talk about.
Tifa's Gleam line, a collaboration with the Bone and Eye Clinics in Ocho Rios and Kingston.
They approached me to be the brand ambassador for their company, and then we came up with this idea that since, I'm like the connoisseur of shades, that, we should do a line of shades, my own line of shades. So we went through the whole process of, looking at templates, picking out, different stuff, and then we came up with this. So, we're looking at other styles. For now, it's just this style with 4 different shades. So we have the black, the white, the brown, etc., etc. So, yeah, that's Gleam by Tifa, my glasses line.
And fashionable women responding. One lifestyle blog reporting that the first batch of Gleam's white-framed shades sold out in the first week. Gleam bringing a dancehall fashionista stylishly into focus.
Dancehall is a culture, and when you think about culture, you have to think about the fashion of it. Most artists or most people, when they get into it, they think about the actual clothes. You know what I mean? I wanted to do something different. Eyewear is a very integral part of fashion, and nobody in Jamaica is really doing it. So, I wanted to be the forerunner to say, okay, all right, Gleam by Tifa, dancehall shades, Jamaican shades, let's do this.
Spell it out.
Tifa involved with the film documentary project on dancehall, being executive produced by rapper Snoop Dogg and comedian Seth Rogen. Also in and out of Jamaica on songwriting assignments for major record labels. Generally busy.
Because everybody wants dancehall. So even if I'm not the face, I'm actually the words behind the songs. You know what I mean? And bringing it to the fore. New music, new videos, new ventures, more endorsements. I always say that entertainment is like football, it's like sports. You only have that particular window of time before the next new hot person. So once you have it while it's hot, you have to just make use of it, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now.
And wearing Gleam, of course.
Gotta wear shades.
I'm gonna take advantage.